So how do we get perfect interfacing? In this demo, I'm going to be showing you how I block cut when I do my interfaced pieces. This ensures no stretch, no distortion, and very accurate pattern pieces cut. So first of all, you can see I'm using a back and front yoke from my Midhurst skirt pattern here, which I interface, and I'm pinning them down to the fold, and then I'm just going to cut a big square of fabric. So I'll make sure I've got more than enough to accommodate these two pieces. So very roughly cut around. Okay, so next we're going to take that piece of fabric that we know fits our yokes onto, place it patterned outside down. So we've got the wrong side up, and I've got some very light interfacing here. You can see it's slightly shiny on the glue side and it will feel a little bit rough. So I'm going to put the glue side down to make sure it's on the wrong side of the fabric, and then I pop a tea towel over the top and use my iron to just seal that interfacing onto the fabric so it sort of melts the glue. So you'll want to leave your iron on a little bit longer than it looked like it was there because we sped the video up. As you can see, the glue's melted, it's attached to the fabric. So all that's left now is to cut out our pieces. So I'm going to fold this right sides together, and I'm going to get my pieces back and I'm going to pin them to the fold again. Don't move it down a little bit so that I make sure I'm not missing anything. So pin that down securely, and the other yoke as well. And then I'm going to carefully cut around my pieces. There we go, nicely cut out. So when you take the pins off, you can see nice crisp edges, no little bits of interfacing over the edge of the fabric. It's all nice and precise.